I have KRUGER MATZ Live 7S, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and tap OK to confirm it. So let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. And the boot mode pops up in front of you. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So in my case, let me choose the first option, recovery, press volume down to confirm it, and the device is booting into the recovery mode. Now you need to wait a few seconds until the no command picture pops up, and as you can see, right now you have to start holding the power key right here, and by holding power, press volume up once. And this is the recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down right here to highlight wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down to yes and press power button to choose it. The device is wiping all personal data and customized settings. And as soon as Android recovery system pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and booting into the normal mode, so you have to wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device in a normal way. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern or a password, so you can start to deactivate your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.